Kidnap. You brought a puppy in here? Yeah, its name is Spio. Remember? Yeah. So what do you say, guys? Should we have him a new pet? Yes, please! I always wanted to have a pet in here. Okay. Let's give it a shot. You're the leader, Vonnie. So I vote for you. Me too. I really do. Awesome. Okay, Spio. There are a few things we need to train you about. Oh, Spio's gone! He is? We need to follow him. Come on! Black guy. I should have known the pup nag giver is you. Actually, I'm using him as a hench pup. Give him back! Never! He's mine! Unless muttloaf would mess it up. But he's your henchman. Oh yeah? How about you explain it to the dog? Huh? We demand you give him back! No! If you want him, you got to go past me. Challenge accepted! But Ronnie, we don't have any powers to defeat him. Sure we do. Element powers. Let's power up! Fire element, orange. Water element, blue. Wind element, pink. Ice element, purple. Earth element, brown. Element power knights. Element power knights? Again? Stay there. Hey! No one talks to a puppy like that. Oh, really? I will battle you just in case. You can't keep him as his prisoner. Forces of darkness. Strike! Attack! I heard you all got some moves, but the unexpected of darkness will bring me a life. Yeah! We need to make him unconscious. I got an idea. JJ, Daphne, follow my lead. Roger! Fire, water, ice, strike! Come on, Spio. Let's get you out of here. We need to get out of here before he wakes up. See you later, Bookie Gator. Muttloaf, this is all your fault. Sorry we letting you go earlier, Spio. That was a bad thing to do. Will you forgive us? Yeah. I think he does. Besides, he's a dog. He's also a friend. So, he is allowed in the classroom, right? Of course. 'Cause Spio's a dog. A dog that would, well, run around and everything. From now on, we'll keep him in our classroom. Time to go to your next assignment. We gotta go. We have our next class coming up.